Hello everyone, Chef Eric here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Make sure you guys give this video a like and subscribe. And today we're making this delicious pineapple and upside down cake which you can serve with your favorite ice cream. So we're gonna start by making our brown sugar base or caramel base. So in a small saucepan, you wanna start by adding in some margarine and some brown sugar and give that a really good mix just until it just starts to boil and fully combine, and take it off the heat. And I just wanna pour it evenly between two greased 8-inch pans. This recipe only ended up making one 8-inch cake, so you don't need both of them. So just pour the whole brown sugar mixture in one pan. I did not keep that in mind, but make sure you do. So next you wanna line it with some fresh pineapple or some canned pineapple. If you'd like to use fresh, by all means go ahead and do so. I just decided to go for canned because of the syrup that's within the can, and also it's very easy and convenient because of like the ring shape. So just in the hole we're gonna put some maraschino cherries, which I just got from Naivas. They're like 200 bob and they'll serve you for a really long time. So if you're wondering where you can get those, that's Naivas is a place for you. So set that aside and you can start to combine all of our dry ingredients. And for our dry ingredients, we have some all-purpose flour and some. Sift that through and give it a really good mix and set it aside. So once that's all fully incorporated, we can start to work on our margarine. So in a large mixing bowl or the bowl of your stand mixer, just start by combining some margarine, some white and some brown sugar. And the brown sugar is just there for like an extra caramelly flavor. It's optional but highly recommended. If you can get your hands on brown sugar, even better. So you just want to add it onto your stand mixer and you want to whip it for about 5 to 6 minutes, just until it's looking super light and fluffy with the paddle attachment. Once it's all nice and fluffy, you just want to add in your eggs one at a time. Here we're using 2 eggs along with a little bit of vanilla. And once that's almost all fully incorporated, scrape down the bowl, mix again, and you can start to add in our wet and dry ingredients. Start by adding in a third of your dry ingredients, half of your pineapple syrup, the other third of your dry ingredients, the other half of the pineapple syrup, the other half of the dries, and also a 1/4 cup of milk, just to make sure the batter is nice and smooth and like it'll be slightly loose and a bit runny. So just fold everything together by hand with a muiko, just to make sure we get any of the batter that might be trapped either under the pan or something like that. So once your batter is ready, you just want to pour it into one greased and has beautiful pineapple at the bottom. Pop that on top and you just want to evenly spread it out and bake it at an hour for an hour at 180 degrees. You just want to keep a close eye on it, either an hour to 50 minutes. So make sure you check with a toothpaste just to be sure. Just bake it. And once it's done, you just want to gently turn it out onto a chopping board and serve. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for a brand new video. Serve this with your favorite ice cream and enjoy.